Hello and welcome to my craft room. This is Angie with thecountryschiccottage.net and we're here today with another great craft video. So let's get started making our project for today. So for this project you will need some blank makeup bags as well as some iron-on transfers and of course your printer. And we will have 3 designs available on thecountryschiccottage.net that you can download. So the first thing you want to do is to print your design onto your iron-on transfer using your computer. And then we're going to put it onto our makeup bag. So what I did was just use the iron to get out any wrinkles on the makeup bag. And then I'm just cutting the design from my iron-on transfer with a pair of scissors. Now you will notice that this is backwards. You will need to mirror the design before you print it. And it really doesn't matter what design you're using. If it has words, you need to mirror it to do the iron-on transfer. And then we want to cut as close as we can to the design. And then put the iron-on transfer onto the makeup bag. Now you will note that I have a piece of cloth underneath my design to protect my work surface. And then I'm just following the directions that came with my iron-on transfers. Yours may be a bit different, but be sure to follow all the directions, including the temperature as well as the time to press. And a regular iron works fine, or you can use an easy press. Once you've pressed it, you want to carefully remove the backing paper from the iron-on transfer, making sure that the transfer itself is completely adhered to your makeup bag. So once you have that backing paper completely removed, your makeup bag is actually complete. So this is the first design that I've created, and again you can download all of these designs on thecountryschiccottage.net. The other 2 designs are the makeup hoarder as well as wake up makeup. After you've completed your makeup bag, you can just add in your makeup and you're ready to get organized. Hope you've enjoyed this project and will download the files. So I hope you enjoyed that and I hope you will make the project that you saw today. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You'll also want to head over to our YouTube channel as we have tons of creative videos that you might love using a Cricut machine and other crafty videos as well. You'll want to subscribe while you're there so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also ask any questions that you have about anything we've covered today in the comment section below and we will get to those as soon as we can because we love comments. Thank y'all so much for joining me today and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.